going to just conclude our lesson on simple and compound time signatures now with a little activity. So I hope you'll follow along with this activity. As you can see on the board, I've written several rhythmic patterns. Some of these fit well in simple time, some fit well in compound time, and some would not work well in either time. We're thinking especially of things that would fill up one beat. So some of these will fill up a beat in simple time, some will fill up a beat in compound time, and some would not fill up a beat in either. In the case of the simple time signatures, right now we're considering the ones that have a 4 on the bottom, and in compound time the ones that have an 8 on the bottom. So 4-4, 3-4, 2-4 for simple, or 6-8, 9-8, 12-8 for compound right now. And the neither would be neither. So let's take a moment to see if we can match each of these to the time signature they belong with. Now, can you see the dot on these notes? I'll make the dots a little bit bigger. Okay. So let's start with letter A. Think about whether you think that goes in simple or compound time. To fill up a beat, say in either 3-4 or 9-8 time. Hopefully, you put this under compound. A dotted quarter note would be equal to 3/8 notes. And remember, when we were counting earlier in 12/8 time, we were going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Each of those larger beats was worth 3/8 notes. A dotted quarter is worth 3/8 notes. So that goes under compound. Letter B. Would this go under simple or compound, or neither? Hopefully you said simple. Letter C. Hopefully you said simple. Letter D. Hopefully you said compound. Here you have 3/8 notes. That would be one group of 3/8 notes. Letter E. Hopefully you said simple to that as well. Letter F. Yes, this would go in the neither category. This would not fill up a beat of simple time or compound time in either something with a 4 on the bottom in the case of simple, or something with an 8 on the bottom in the case of compound. Of course, if we were in 3/16, it would be just fine, but we're not talking about that. Okay, letter G. Hopefully you said simple. In compound time, our 8th notes are not triplets. They're 8th notes. We write a triplet in simple time to make it as though for one beat we treat it like compound time. Right? We're going 1 and 2 and triplet, as opposed to in compound time, where they're all in groups of 3, so there's no need for a triplet. So G went in simple time. Letter H. Yes, again, this would go in the neither category. Letter I. Yes, this would go in the simple category. It's more than 3/8 notes, and it's less than 6/8 notes, which would be like 2 beats. This would be simple. How about letter J? Yes, this would also be simple. Letter K? Yes, it's compound. You have 1, 2, 3, right? It's equal to 3/8 notes. Letter L? Yes, this would be simple as well. Letter M? Yeah, that would be compound, right? Because the quarter note is like the first 2/8 notes, and then you have the 3/8 note. N? Yes, N is pretty much the same as letter M, so it would also be compound. Letter O. This would be simple. Letter P. This would be neither one. How did you do? How do you feel about simple and compound time? I hope if you have questions, you'll go on the discussion board and ask your questions so that they can be answered for you.